Sniping meme coins can be extremely profitable, so let me just quickly explain why would you snipe some of these tokens. So for instance, we're going to take a look at Grid example, and this was the token deployed by Dave Portnoy, and you can essentially see the first transaction was Dave. So we're going to open up some of the SolScan transaction, and you're going to see that the dev, which is the Dave address, you can see that was the first one. We also had pretty much 2 other transactions within the same block, and the last one was a block after. So it was pretty much impossible to get before migration to buy this token, but if you have your sniper ready, you could have buy this token super early as well, because you can see it went straight from the migration 37 million. So you can see where I was selling, I was essentially super early to this token. I didn't snipe this token, but I knew. You can essentially see where I bought this token around 1.5 mil, and I was DCing out on the way up. So sniping meme coins is only profitable when you expect something crazy to happen, like someone big in the space, someone reputable with a clout on Twitter launch a meme coin. So in cases like that, it's definitely worth to snipe. But if you see like any random meme coins trying to migrate right now on about to graduate, it might not be profitable. So you have to really like do your own research before you're gonna snipe, because it requires you some Solana to do that. So let me just show you quickly how that works. And let's say whenever you wanna snipe something, you can see this token is currently migrating. So you just need to refresh it, and you're gonna see the snipe button, and you're gonna see the snipe now here. And then let's say we're gonna snipe like 0.01, and you wanna set up the fees. So let's just, for the sake of this video, we're gonna use like this, and then you wanna click on the snipe button. So now let's wait and see what's gonna happen, and you can see how it looks like. So I got around 60k. So for example, you can see that in this particular case, that was shared by the Las Vegas profile, and we've got the Orbi, so that's why it hit 100k. When there's a highly anticipated token, let's say like Grid or Grid 2, you definitely wanna level up your fees. It's really up to you how much you want to spend. You just need to estimate it somehow, so you're not going to be wrecked, or the price is not going to drop like minus 50% from the migration. So like I showed you previously, Grid 2 was the perfect example, because a ton of people knew this is going to perform well, but I think not a lot of people knew how to snipe these tokens basically. So when Dave bought this token somewhere here, a few snipers followed, and the price instantly skyrocketed to around 2 million. So, but if you have a sniper ready, it was even possible to get it somewhere, let's say somewhere in the middle, maybe like 300 or 500k, somewhere below 1 million. I think it was very possible to get it. So, so if you knew how to do that, you probably made a decent profit on that one. And sometimes it doesn't even require you to spend a ton of in gas. So for example, in this particular case, if you're sniping really hype mint, you're probably gonna be looking somewhere around let's say 0.3 for bribe and for priority. So the more you're willing to spend, the higher chances you have for your transaction to fail. So that's pretty much it. The link will be down below if you want to test it out, and I'll see you in the next one.